Hi everyone, welcome back to Ali Reviews tutorial series. Review pop-ups are used to catch visitors' attention and increase social proof. Today, you will learn how to set up review pop-ups with Ali Reviews to upsell and cross-sell. From the main menu, open the Show tab. Select the page and add the Review Pops widget. In Look and Feel settings, you can change the appearance of the review pops. Choose the position to display the review pops. Make sure the pops will not block other sections in your store. Customize the look of the widget. You can set the background, the text color and change the element inside the review pops. Let's move to the Product Options section. From here, you can choose which products' reviews can be displayed on the review pops. It's up to your needs. You can show the reviews from all products, exclude some products' reviews, set to show reviews from some specific products or create a product combo. Now checking some other advanced settings. From Audience Settings, you can control who can view the widget according to the conditions you have set. Only the reviews which match the conditions in Review Options settings can be displayed on the review pops. Set how the visitors can interact with the review pops. You can change the review pops timing, click action and display limits. Remember to save after finishing your settings. Go to your store and check how the review pops work.